Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let's talk today about how to format the hard drive for Hikvision NVR or DVR. It's pretty easy. As you can see here, I have the hard drive already installed. This is a Seagate Skyhawk. It's important to have the correct hard drive for surveillance systems, right? Seagate manufactures that one. Also, you can buy another one from Western Digital, the purple line, also good, right? So as long as I have it here, I just need to make sure everything is connected. And then I come here to my screen. I have my NVR connected to a monitor. So I see here in the screen, I can click here with the mouse that I also have connected to the NVR. Right click and go to menu. Just draw here my pattern to unlock it. And here we go. In this menu, you're gonna come here to the hard drive. And here you're gonna see it, right? If it's recognized, if it's working. Here's the capacity, the status, it's normal, property, read, write, and local type and free space that you have here, okay? So you need to check, make sure you check the hard drive. You're gonna see this yellow line, and then you come here to init, which means initialize or format your hard drive, okay? Just click here, and a wizard is going to confirm with you if you wanna erase all the data in the hard drive, which means format the hard drive. You just hit OK and wait for it, right? So it shows here that's formatting, and it's pretty fast. As you can see here, it comes from 0% to 100% very, very fast. And now you see it's normal, and you no longer have data on your NVR. So be careful because you're gonna erase all the data here. If you have video recorded, you're not gonna see that anymore. As you can see here, I have a camera right now. It's connected to the NVR, it's recording. So if I double click here to show the camera and I come to playback, now you see that I don't have anything recorded before now. I'm just playing back something that just happened right now. It's practically live. I'm just recording now, and I have erased all the data here on my NVR by formatting, right? So pretty easy, pretty fast to format it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.